go, guys. It's a pretty big one. I'm going to get pokes. Dad, I'm trying. Ow!
All right.
You don't want them?
No, we're not keeping them.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right, thanks, buddy. Oh, it's a good size one.
Yeah. First porgy of the day. Why'd you take my spot?
What's that?
Why'd you take my spot? What's going on, everybody? Today we are at Fort Trimble State Park in New London, Connecticut. We're going to be doing some striper, blue, and porgy fishing. I haven't uploaded in a month or two because football just started and school just started and everything, so I haven't had that much time to upload any videos. But it's a Sunday morning and we decided to come out to the pier and try to catch some porgy and stripers. You already saw that one porgy that I caught, pretty good size. Yeah, hope you enjoy the video. God, jeez, oh, he's taking drag. No! Oh.
That stinks.
Oh, he's such a big porgy. No!
That was a good one.
He's pulling drag too. Oh. Got me all tangled.
Maybe you should have let him fight a little bit. What do you think?
I didn't think he's that big.
I could tell, like when I saw what pole you were on and how the thing was bending, I was like, wow, that's a big guy.
Dang
You
it.
caught him right under the dock here?
Yeah.
Sweet.
That would have been the second big one of the day. He was.
Here we go. Who says? Oh yeah. That was a tough.
Porgy. Yeah, so I caught what I think is a little sea bass. It could be a blackfish, but I've never caught a blackfish before. God, that hook's in there. Good. Still got the big. That was like a really big porgy.
Yeah, that was good. That was a nice give to the kid. Look at him. He's still hungry. Don't worry.
I'm hungry.
I'm starving. What are these things?
I have no idea. I think they're sea bass. It's been probably about 20 minutes since I broke off with that stud porgy. Scup, whatever you want to call it. So we're at Fort Trimble in New London, Connecticut. It's early September 5th, I think. And yeah, porgy are just starting to bite, so I just came here and decided to pick up some sandworms from Cabela's and come out on Sunday morning. Hello, Porgy.
Little pig.
It's tiny. Probably tiny Porgy. Oh, what? It's like pufferfish. There you go. See him puff up. Once I start grabbing him, he'll puff up. Pufferfish. I want to see him puff up.
Instead of worms.
Almost. You wash out. Another little Porgy.
Did I get him in the eyeball?
Yep.
Sure did.
All right through the eyeball.
That's a tough one, buddy. I'll do my best. Yeah, relatively painless. He lives another day.
So guys, we have a pretty good fall coming up. End of this month, September, we're going to Assateague. Is it a national park or state park?
Going to the national park.
Assateague National Park. And we're camping on the beach. And we're gonna bring our poles and hopefully catch some fish. I don't really know what to catch down there. It's like near the mouth of the Chesapeake, so maybe some like red drum and stuff like that. There's a bay, so we're gonna be fishing for some flounder too. In October we're going on a fishing charter for stripers. October 23rd, right?
Yeah, that's the plan.
Yeah, October 23rd. So if you want to see videos from there, subscribe and turn on notifications if you want. Hey guys, so we caught another keeper. Really big. Probably my PB Porgy.